What's up, guys? We are out here at El Paso County again, as always, for our races. Today we are getting ready for our heat race kind of already. Looks like they got a decent car count of about 6-7 cars out here in the compacts. I'm starting last in our heat race, so we'll see how we go. Track, after packing, seems a little bit slippery still, but doesn't seem too bad. It did feel really, really bumpy, but it should be all right by the time we get racing. But yeah, see you guys all in a little. Alright, so after our heat race, very good one, we got another sticker, another heat win. That's one of the first I think we've gotten here. I think we've only gotten 1 or 2 here so far this season, so adding another one right there is pretty nice. Got a sticker too for it. So yeah, car was running great, car felt great, track felt pretty good. It was a little bit slippery, but for the most part it felt really good, and I was liking the way the car was handling. So hopefully that's a good sign of things to come. And yeah, so we're gonna have a great race, I think, and gonna go watch some lightning sprints. Alright, so we're just now getting the car ready to go for our feature race. We're not for a little bit, but we want to make sure it's ready so we can go watch some of the lightning sprints race at least. Car really doesn't need anything. Kept good shape and everything in the heat race, so just put in a little gas and get ready to go. We also do have an opportunity to win a second race tonight with the Warrior class, which is something our track is doing to try and get more cars out here. But the Warrior class is going to be like a pretty much run what you brung. So there's big old muscle cars with, you know, 4-barrel carburetors and whatever. So it's gonna be interesting to see how we run in our little front wheel drive 4-banger with half the engine that those guys have. But I think it'll be interesting, and we do have a chance to win that race too, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna go watch some lightning sprint racing, and then it'll be time for our race. All right, so our race is finished. The night is over, and mix of emotions there. Wrecked, or not wrecked, but got driven straight through the last corner of the last lap in our actual feature, and that sucks. Really sucks doing that. Cut down a tire. But we got back over here, got ready for the next race, and we took it without any issue at all. Almost lapped the whole field, including the car that drove straight through us. So really happy on the night. Got a trophy. Great to be always getting trophies and stuff. And it's one for a different division than we've gotten the rest of the year. So what a day. Weird day, but what a day.